If you are thinking about selling anything in e-com, if you're not listening to this episode, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. We're going to be talking about Amazon FBA. We're going to be talking about Walmart's variation of that. We're going to be talking about automations and systems behind the scenes, investments, and how to kind of really make passive income. This is the episode that you do not want to miss. So, every time I get someone of this caliber, I like to give them a particular nickname, and I was going to name him the Willie Badass of ecom, and I was like, okay, let me actually give him a more legit name. So his name today is going to be the Ecom Investment Boss. Will, the floor is yours. Why don't you tell the audience a little bit more about who you are and what we're talking about today?
Wow, I'm loving that name. Well, I'm happy to be here. Yeah, I currently right now I know just off air I was just telling you I'm actually in the moment I'm in Italy,
Mhm.
so that's why the lighting's a little weird here. It's getting the sun just set about 20 minutes ago, but yeah, happy to be here. Every summer I come out here and I'm running right now. I'm a co-founder of a company that started a few years ago. I've been in this industry for I'd say, micro entrepreneurially about 5 to 7 years. But I started in the tech industry, and my business partner and I a couple of years ago, like you just mentioned before, automation. We noticed that there were companies out there that were pretty much doing Amazon businesses for investors who didn't have time. But we also noticed that almost every single company we came across was ineffectively doing this business model. And so light bulb just switched on our end, given our experience. And we said, hey, we already are really ingrained in this industry. We know the ins and outs. We know what's actually wrong about a lot of these companies that are operating out there. And so let's fill the gaps. Let's refine this process. Let's legitimize automation.
Mhm.
And we decided to do that 2.5 years ago. It's 2 years and 8 months now. And now, cut to, we are almost 500 clients. We've got 2 warehouse facilities that are exclusive in Dallas, Texas. We have an office in Los Angeles. Focuses on transparency, sustainability, and really taking the idea of e-commerce and looking at it as a true digital asset. Given the fact that it's only about 16% of the retail market right now, and I think Nasdaq predicted that by 2040 it's going to be 95%. So we have a massive market that's emerging on all fronts, and it's not too late to be a part of it. And so it's essentially what we do. Investors who don't have time, they want to get involved, and they pay us. We leverage our infrastructure on behalf of them, and we run and operate an entire e-commerce business for them on a third-party platform, and make that profitable and turn it into an appreciating asset.